We continue with chapter 8, and today we will be looking at example 3. But before we look at example 3, let us see how to find expectation and variance of binomial distribution. Expectation is also known as mean or average. If X is a binomial distribution with number of trial n and the probability of getting success is p, then the expectation Ex and the variance of binomials are given by this formula. Remember that n is the number of trial and p is the probability of getting a success. And variance is given by NPQ, trial, number of trial multiplied with the probability of getting a success, and Q is failure or 1 minus P. This is the question for example 3. In a flower farm in Cameron Highland, 3/5 or 0.6 of rose bulbs will flower. If Sophie buys 50 rose bulbs, what is the expected number the bulbs will flower? Calculate the standard deviation. So this is our random variable x, which is the bulbs will flower or the bulbs will blossom. And 3/5 is the probability of the rose bulbs will flower. And 50 is our number of trial since Sophie buys 50 rose bulbs. From the question, we can now write the expression, which is X is a binomial distribution with 50 number of trials and the probability of getting success is 0.6. So these are the values of N, P, and Q. So what is the expected number the bulbs will flower? Remember the formula. Expectation X is equals to NP. So we just plug in the value and that is our final answer. The next question is calculate the standard deviation. Before we find standard deviation, we need to find the variance since standard deviation is given by the square root of variance. So this is the formula for variance. Variance is equals to NPQ. We have all the values, so we just need to substitute the value into the formula, and that's the variance. Therefore, standard deviation is equal to the square root of variance. And this is our final answer. That's it for today. Thank you. And have a nice day, everyone.